Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay and today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. I have here the July curl box and we are going to get into it, see what we got popping off in this thing today. But before we get into all of that, please remember to like the video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video, and drop me a comment if you have anything to say. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the July curl box. This is how all of the curl box come. All of the curl box them come in the same box here, and we are going to get into it. It's kind of a heavy one. Curl box thing, they always heavy still. All right, so the first thing here is the curl box greeting card. We're not going to get into that. And then I can put this down. Like, this has all of the product information. I would so love to cut my hair like this. I would. Oh my gosh, I so badly want to cut my hair, you know, but I'm kind of afraid, but I'm gonna do it one day. All right, so this has the product knowledge, all of the information on the products, and this is like a discount, like a coupon with a discount code here. All right, and let's get into the actual box. All right, see that? I will leave things in here. 6 products, 2 little teeny weeny something, and then 4 full-size products. And let's get into it, and we are going to look for the shampoo. Gonna look for the shampoo. This is what that looks like. I like this color though. Very nice. Very nice. I think this will make a very good addition to all my products as it relates to, you know, color contrast. So this is the Deep Moisture Hydration Profound. I realize that these don't necessarily have the information on it as it relates to the claims, so I'm going to reference here. An immensely hydrating cleanser with a vegan super blend of plant oils and butters like mango and sunflower. All right, so I guess it says it's hydrating. Watch that. So it smells like lemongrass and I like the smell. Then the next product is going to be the conditioner. Nutriplenish conditioner. And let's find the claims. A moisturizing weekly conditioner that also acts as a leave-in conditioner for thick textured hair. We also include cute minis in the form of Nutriplenish shampoo light and Nutriplenish conditioner light. The next product is the leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner, and it says the leave-in conditioner raises hydration level for up to 72 hours and protects against heat damage. So that must have dimethicone, but we will get into all of that as it relates to ingredients and whatever later on. Then the next product is the minis. So we get some tiny wine shampoos if you're going on a little excursion out of town vibe. Maybelline pandies. The conditioner have like a pearly kind of color. Those type of conditioners are shampoos, I mean that was a shampoo. Those type of shampoos are normally very hydrating and thing. Hopefully that is the case with this one. And just a little conditioner. Then we're going to go into the oil, multi-use oil, same AVEDA Nutriplenish. Oh, this is a cute bottle. Did I show the box? But look at the bottle. Isn't that cute? I really like this packaging. It's a pretty packaging. Like the entire line has a very nice color. Let's see what the oils are saying. This concentrated blend of powerful oils, sunflower, avocado, jojoba, argan, safflower, coconut, and pranganat delivers nutrients directly to the hair shaft. Alright, so just an aisle. Aisle up the scalp, aisle up the ear, aisle up the thing. Alright, so my opinion of this month's CURLBOX is I'm not really feeling it because it's a lot of shampoos and conditioners and no stylers. And conditioners and shampoos aren't really my favorite products, you know, to use and to review and to. So it's just like a lackluster kind of week. But I'll use them, I'll try them. Clearly I will have to use them with some styling products because the exciting part of any hair routine is when you get to style your hair and the niceness and whatever. But I will use them, I'll review them. I'm not super excited about this line because my favorite type of products aren't in here, and those are stylers. Okay, so if my energy seems kind of low and off, that's why I'm not really crazy about that one here. But nonetheless, I will have links in the description if you want to get your own CURLBOX. It is a subscription based box, you know, so you buy it every month. 2000 no not US are going, that's a wrong information, but 3,000 odd right now, you know, because the dollar a slide. Still a chance here. It's slide with. It's about 3,000 mash, about 3,600. But I quote me on the math still, but around that, and you know you'd have to pay to get it shipped to you. But the links will be in the description, okay? You have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Clap yourself. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say, and see you on another one. Bye.